Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Fortnite error code LS-0016. And the main reason why this error code is happening as of today is because of the event that's going on. And in order to fix that, you honestly just have to wait the event out, but there are other means of fixing this. Now, in order to do that, so the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to the Epic Games launcher. You're going to right click on the icon, and then you're going to go and hit properties, and then you're going to go to the compatibility tab. Now from the compatibility tab, you're going to do two things. You're going to check the run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and you're also going to check the run this program as an administrator. Now once you check both of those, go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK. Now try opening up Epic Games and then opening up Fortnite through that way. You can also do the same thing just from Fortnite, like just go to Fortnite and then just doing the same thing what I just did for Epic Games. It's the same thing basically, it doesn't really matter. Now once you do both of these things, you should be good to go and try to log into the Epic Games. But as again, if it does not work, it's because of the event, and it's that too many people have been like queued into the event, and you honestly just have to wait for them to leave. And once the event is over, you should be good to go and you should be able to play. And yeah, so that is how to fix the error code. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.